Hey guys, today we're unboxing an off-white towel of all the things. I got this from Essence for $98 plus some tax. It was heavily discounted, it's final discount, so I can't return it. Also, I just needed a towel. I picked this up from the UPS store from Walmart, and it's right here. So standard Essence boxing. Got some. Cut this tape open. Here it is. Well, it's honestly heavier than I expected. The color is just a deep teal with purple arrows embroidered. You can see it says off right here. So let's go ahead and open it. Comes in the standard off-white packaging. This is really heavy, so here we go. You can see the hat. Guys, this is a really like heavy towel. It's like a hotel. I thought it was gonna be a light towel when I first bought it, but here are tags right here. It's got all the off-white tags, so I'll be taking these off, obviously. Let me open this up. This one's really cool. It says home, designed in Milan, Italy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the off-white towel. Thanks for watching.